go to set also at 70, 75. I want to keep
85,
working, 85,
90,
all my
yeah.
life.
Getting older, your body's changing, your face changing, the way you work changing. How do you feel about that? Do you feel excited? Do you feel apprehensive? Is there things about growing older that's made you annoyed, stressed? What's sort of your attitude towards growing old and growing older, not old, you know?
Yeah, I think it's everything, age is just, I mean, it's just a number. My only thing is that I want to always be fit to take on whatever, old age brings. I want to be able to do what I have to do, whether it's go to set also at 70, 75. I want to keep
85,
working, 85,
90,
all my
yeah.
life. I want to do that. I want to be able to bend to, pick up my grandchildren. I want to be able to do things and not be dependent on someone or a stick. I want to. So for that, I need to eat right with her guidance. I need to have mobility to work out, not, to look, good. It's not about the way I look. It's about the way I feel. And that's what, for me, aging and life is. So I love it. I'm embracing it, but I'm taking all these particular things, like eating ghee, eating khichdi, doing a little bit of weight training for muscles, strength training, walking a little, my Surya Namaskars, doing my little work on my own rather than, I'm spending time doing all of this rather than, skin treatments and Botox.
Karina, like how often what is your fitness regime in a week like?
I mean, I think there has to be some sort of movement. So, like a mix of everything, like I enjoy walking. That's something I like, but obviously I can't do it outside. But that's something I really, really enjoy. And in fact, Rujita also always says that, a 30, 40-minute walk or a 30, 40 minutes of maybe weights little bit is what's important. And twice a week yoga, because that's something that I love.
And do you exercise every day? Is that your rule?
I mean, when I'm not shooting, depending on timings and stuff like that, but I exercise, I think it's also more to just feel like I'm waking up in the morning and I have something to look forward to, and it kind of gets my, brain happy and activated somehow, So it's not like I'm doing this because I want to lose weight. I want to do this because I want to feel like, there's like a commitment to this. There's something that's making me feel great, about it. Because I feel like if I do something with the thought that, okay, now I have to do this, now I have to walk 10 kilometers, I'm never going to do it.